Hello, everyone. Today, we'll be learning how to prepare different shapes of pastries. We'll start with the ingredients for the dough and the preparation method. Then we'll look at shaping techniques and tips for maintaining the shapes. I hope to see your encouragement by subscribing to the channel to support us and keep up with our new content. Your support is very important to us, and subscribing to the channel gives us the strength to continue providing quality and fresh content. First, let's gather the ingredients: flour, yeast, salt, sugar, milk, warm water, and oil. We start by mixing the flour with the yeast, salt, and sugar. Then, we gradually add the milk and warm water while mixing until the dough becomes cohesive. We add the oil and knead the dough well until it becomes soft and smooth. After finishing the kneading, we let the dough rest for an hour in a warm place, covering it with a towel to prevent it from drying out. Once the dough has risen and is ready, we can start shaping the pastries. When it comes to shaping the pastries, there are many different forms we can make. We can make croissants by cutting the dough into triangles and rolling them from the base to the tip. We can also make small bread rolls by dividing the dough into small balls and placing them on a baking tray. If we want to make other shapes like pies, we can flatten the dough and cut it into rectangular or circular shapes, adding our preferred fillings such as cheese, thyme, or spinach. When making croissants, it's important to ensure the triangles are equal in size so that all pieces are the same size and bake evenly. For pies, after adding the filling, we can seal the dough tightly to prevent the filling from leaking during baking. We can also sprinkle sesame seeds or black seeds on top for decoration. One important tip for maintaining the shapes of the pastries is to brush them with beaten egg before baking. This gives them a beautiful golden color and makes them crispy. It's also important to maintain a suitable oven temperature, not too high to avoid burning and not too low to ensure even baking. Using parchment paper on the baking tray can prevent the pastries from sticking and make cleaning the tray easier after baking. After the pastries are baked, we let them cool down a bit before serving to retain their shape and prevent breaking. If we want to store the pastries for a longer period, we can place them in airtight containers and freeze them. When we want to eat them, we take them out of the freezer, let them thaw a bit, and then reheat them in the oven or microwave. And with that, we've finished preparing the pastries in a simple and easy way. I hope you found this method useful and enjoyed the pastries we made. In conclusion, I want to thank you all for your follow and interest. I hope you benefited and enjoyed the method we explained. Don't forget to share your experiences and feedback with us. Stay well and healthy, and we'll see you in upcoming recipes, God willing.